Hello guys, Brian back here with a Caspa update. Just wanted to get out here and do a video today. I see, we've been down last night, and I think yesterday we were down like 8%. Today we're down 2.93% right now, but we're getting a pretty good bounce started here now. I believe this thing has finally bottomed out. You expect that, you have these impulses and pullbacks and impulses and pullbacks, just the way it goes. This trend line I put up here, we only have 2 touches on that right now. We're going to come up and hit it a third time here, okay? So it'll be a valid line, but that's going to be our next resistance area there, I take it. We came up and hit this peak right here, okay, and then this peak up here. So it'll be valid once we get up here and hit it again. That'll be the third touch. But if we take a look at how big of a pullback we've had, and if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe button, I'd appreciate that very much. I forgot to ask last video, but I'm only going to put a video out maybe every other day or so on Caspa, and I gotta let price action move. It's very hard to do, especially on the 1 hour, the micro moves. I'd rather come on here every 2 or 3 days and have some price action, to actually talk about. It's just and quite honestly, I'm no different than anybody else. I work a full-time job, and I trade on the side, so I got a lot going on too, just like everybody else. So, but I very much enjoy doing them. I got a great group of people started here, and you guys have been really great. So thank you, I appreciate it. But let's get a look here, guys. This thing pulled back right to that 618. Okay, we got a bounce from there. Now, like I said the other day, when traders when they go long on a coin, that 618 is usually where they'll get in at, and then they'll put their stop loss right down below that 786. Okay, the 618 gives you a guaranteed entry. A lot of times it'll come down to the 702 or 786, perfectly normal. But if you get a very bullish coin and it just hits the 618 and bounces from there, and then you missed your entry and you missed a trade. So that's like I said, that's where a lot of people get in. This thing has hit that 618 and bounced nicely. All right, so let's go through these RSIs and see what we can get a look at here with this thing. The 8 hour has just turned up. Okay, you can see it down here. I got both RSIs up here because, quite honestly, I use both of them. I like using both of them, the stochastic and the regular. But that 8 has just turned up. If we go to the 12 hours correcting, but if you look down here at the bottom, it's at a 49. It's right to the bounce point, and actually it's curving. It's curving up down here, right down here in the bottom here. You can see the thing, it's starting to curve up, okay, on the 12. Now if we go, let's take a look at the 4. The 4's turned up. This is the one that excites me, that weekly. Once that thing, and it's starting to get a curve to it, you can see the bottom, the regular RSI, look at that thing's flipped up. So that's the one that really excites me. When that weekly gets reset, that's what causes, massive movement, massive pumps, okay? That's what got us this big move right here, okay? That RSI peeking out at the top, and you can see the regular RSI down here. Look how it nailed that top. Right when that thing got to that very top there at that 92.9 area, that was the top. That's why I like using the regular RSI, because gives you your bearish and bullish divergence too. You can see that a lot of times, gives you an idea when a top's in, okay? So obviously this thing, the weekly, has some room to come up here, okay? Looks like when it does though, it looks like it's going to be probably a lower high, so be looking for a pretty decent correction out of when we get this next move, okay? But I had a viewer comment the other day about doing a trend-based, from like this was all just a wave 1, okay, which is absolutely possible, okay? This whole thing could be just a 1, 2, and then so on. All right, so I'm going to put the trend-based fib on it. We'll see what it actually would give us, okay? Take it from the bottom to the swing high, back to the retracement. Okay, if we put it on there, and this is on the weekly chart. All right, if this all ended up being a one wave, that would give us a, let's see where this would take us to. I apologize, let me shrink these RSIs on here so we have more of a screen to work with. Yeah, it would take us up there pretty good. Yeah, that would take us up to the 19-cent area. Okay, not too shabby from, you know, a 1/10 of a penny coin. That's for sure. You know, and that would be. This coin is brand new. You know, it's only been out since October of 20. It's not even a year. You know, can't beat that. And we've gotten what kind of? Let's look at the gains this thing has given us so far. You know, I didn't get in right at the bottom. I wish I did. That's for sure. 2,619%. Yeah, that's pretty good. 26. What is that, a 26x? Yeah, 26x. So not too bad. You know, if you geez, what is that? If you put $1,000 in it, you'd have 26,000 now. So yeah, pretty good gains so far. And if that turns out to be an all a one wave, which absolutely it could. But let's move on here, and I want to show you guys a couple other things here real quick. The Dow Jones and the S&P 500. Okay, this is pretty exciting. Okay, I look at these charts every single day. I'm going to get rid of that RSI on this thing. This is on the weekly. Okay, this thing has been forming this wedge, and if we get a breakout of the stock market, that is what is going to send crypto absolutely flying. We got this breakout starting there on the Dow Jones. The S&P, I want to show you real quick. I apologize. I would take all you guys' time up here. I'm trying to hurry as quick as I can here. But we had a wedge forming on it. And okay, I have an alarm set up there for when this thing. But look at this breakout on it. It's looking beautiful. So everything is lining up for us, guys. Everything is looking good. Just looks like that correction might be over and we might be on our way up. So, hey. Thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you real soon. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I would appreciate that so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your night. Thank you.